Hello children, the chapter is Polynomials Factorization for Standard 9 and this is part 7. So welcome back. Hope you have been practicing the previous videos. Now continuing with the factorization, now this is of the format ax squared plus bx plus c. The previous one we did a squared minus b squared format. And now it is ax squared plus bx plus c format we will be doing. So now here you have to split the middle term. For that, take the constant 32 and try to factorize in such a way that if you add those factors you get 18. So 32 if you can factorize as 16 into 2 and see it is plus 32, and if you factorize you have various factors 8 into 4 you can put. So here 16 into 2, so this factor is what which we will be using because you have 18. So if you add 16 plus 2 you will get 18. So you can write this as 6x squared plus 16x plus 2x plus 32. So x into x plus 16 plus 2 into x plus 16. So x plus 2 into x plus 16. You can write all these steps, or you can see this and you can write straight away x plus 2 into x plus 16. Write this and then you can straight away write this also. So you will get this with practice. You can do it very fast. Next question, x squared minus 19x plus 19x minus 150. So the constant is minus 150. So find the factors. 30 into 5. Now 30 and 5 if you add or subtract you will not get 19. So you have to find out some other factor. So I will write this as 6 into 5 into 5. Now 5 into 5 25, 25 into 6 25 minus, see now 25. So you got 1 minus 150 is equal to 25 and 16. So it is plus 19x. So this can be plus and this is minus. So if you add now 25 minus 16 you will get 19, and you multiply 25 into minus 6 you will get minus 150. So you can write it in the short way, x plus 25 into x minus 6. You find it difficult, you can go for the full step, that is x squared plus 25x or minus 6x. So minus 6x plus 25x minus 150 x into x minus 6 plus 25 into x minus 6. So this will be x plus x minus 6, you will take it out. Then you are left with x in the first term and 25 in the second term. So you got the same thing. Hope it's clear. Coming to the third question. X squared plus 2 root 3x minus 24. So you have root 3, 2 root 3 in the middle term. So 24, you can write this as 8 into 3. 8 into 3. Now you have 2 root 3. So you can write this as, this can be written as root 3 into root 3. And 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So now 2, how you have to see how you can get 2 root 3. Now you can write this as 4 root 3 and this is minus 24. So 4 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. Now you have 4 root 3 I have used. Now this 2 and root 3 I have used. Now it is plus root 3 here. So you have to have this will be positive. So you can write this as x plus 4 root 3 into x minus 2 root 3. To check whether you have done it correctly, you can multiply and see. See x into x, x squared. This is only for your understanding I am doing. X squared minus 2 root 3 x plus 4 root 3 into x. So 4 root 3 x minus 4 root 3 into 2 root 3 will be 8 into 3, 24. See, you will get x squared plus 2 root 3 x minus 24. So the answer is this only. This is just for your understanding I have done it. Hope it is clear. Next question. X squared minus 22x plus 120. Learn this splitting very well, because next year in 10th standard also you will have the chapter quadratic equations, where you will be using this instead of the formulas, simple polynomials. You can split it and do it fast. So 120, find the factors. This plus 120 so we will see what are the factors that you have to select, so that you get 22. So 12 into 10, so it is plus 120, so it can be minus 12 plus minus 10, you will get minus 22. So you can write this as x minus 12 into x minus 10. The next question, x squared plus 7 root 6x plus 60. So 60, so you have root 6, that means you have to take 6 into 10. So 6 can be written as root 6 into root 6 and 10 can be written as 5 into 2. So now 5 root 6, so this means you can write this as 5 root 6 and 2 root 6. So if you add, you will get 7 root 6, and if you multiply also you will get positive 60. So your answer will be x plus 5 root 6 into x plus 2 root 6. X squared minus 24x minus 180. So find the it is minus 180. Find the factors such that you are getting 24. If you add or subtract, you get 24. So 90 into 2. So you can't do anything with this. So we'll try with 30 into 3, then 2 is there. So now you see 30 into 6, yes, 30 minus 6 is 24. So minus 180 can be written as minus 30 plus 6. So if you add, you will get minus 30 plus 6, you will get minus 24, and minus 30 into 6, you will get minus 180. So, it is x minus 30 into x plus 6. Next is x squared minus root 3x minus 6. So, 6 can be written as 3 into 2. So, root 3 you have, so convert this as root 3 into root 3. And then you have 2. So, it is minus root 3 and minus 6. So, you will write this as minus 2 root 3. So, if you have minus 2 root 3 and root 3, minus root 3 plus root 3 will become minus root 3, and if you multiply you will get 6. So, x minus 2 root 3 into x plus root 3. Hope you are finding it easy. X squared minus 3 root 5 x minus 20. So, 20, the same way 20 can be written as 5 into 4, 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5 and then 4. So, it is minus 3 root 5. So, you can write this as 20 as minus 20 it is. So, minus 4 root 5 and root 5. So, minus root 5, 4 root 5 plus root 5 will become minus 3 root 5. Multiply minus 4 root 5 into root 5, you will get minus 20. See, add or subtract, add and see whether you are getting the middle term, multiply and see whether you are getting the constant term. So, x minus 4 root 5 into x plus root 5. The next one, 6x squared plus 17x plus 12. So, now there is a difference between the previous sums and this sum. In all the previous sums that we did, the coefficient of x squared was 1. So, you straight away took the constant and found the factors. Now, you have 6 as the coefficient. So, when you have coefficients other than 1, so you have to multiply 12 into 6. And now you have to find the factors of this and then continue. So, 12 into 6. Now, if you add or subtract 12 and 6, you will not get 17. So, you will again find some factors. 4 into 3 into 6. No, you will not get that. Plus 3 into 2, I will write 3 into 2. Now, 3 into 3, 9, and so 9 into 8, 9 plus 8, you will get 17. So, we will write this as 6x squared plus 9x plus 8x plus 12. Now, take the common factor from the first two. So, it is 3x, 2x plus 3 plus, in these two you take the common factor, that is 4. 4 into 2x plus 3. So, you will get this 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3 are common, you take it out, you will get 3x plus 4. The next question, 2x squared plus 11x minus 21. So, 21 into 2. 21 can be written as 7 into 3 into 2 now. So, you have to see which are the factors that you can take, so that you get 11, and that too it is positive 11, and when you multiply you should get a negative, it is minus 21, it is minus 21. So, 14 and minus 3 you can take. So, 14x plus minus 3x you will get 11x. So, 2x squared plus 14x minus 3x minus 21. So, 2x common, x plus 7, then you take minus out because you have minus 3x and minus 21. So, minus 3 will come out. So, you are left with x. Now, this will become plus because this is minus 21. So, minus has been already taken. So, this will become x plus 7. Now, x plus 7, this x plus 7, this x plus 7 can be taken out, and you are left with 2x minus 3. It is very interesting if you understand and do it. 21x squared plus 5x minus 6. Now, 21 into 6. So, 21 and 6 if you subtract or add, you will not get 5. So, you will split it 7 into 3, then yes 6. This also you will not get. So, we will again split it this as 3 into 2. So, you have 7 into 3 into 3 into 2. Now, we will check, yeah, 7 into 2 14 and 9, you will get 5. So, it is positive 5x and minus 6. So, you have to write this as 21x squared plus 14x minus 9x minus 6. With few problems, when you practice, you will get how to select the factors. Now, you have 7x as common. So, 3x plus 2 minus 3 into 3x plus 2. As I have always been telling, this is pure practice only. The more you practice, the more you will become familiar with the sums, and it will be faster for you to do, and automatically you will develop the interest too. The next question. Root 5x square plus 2x minus 3 root 5. Now, you multiply the constant with the coefficient of x squared, 3 root 5 into root 5. So, it is 3 into 5, 15. So, 15 can be written as 5 into 3. Again, it is minus 3 root 5. So, it will be plus 5 and minus 3. So, root 5 x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 3 root 5. Now, in the first two terms, root 5 and 5 you do not have common, only x is common, but that is not possible. You will not get the common factor. So, 5 and root 5, 5 can be written as root 5 x squared plus root 5 into root 5 x. So, this is important here. So, now you can take root 5 x out, you will be left with x and 1 root 5 minus of, take the 3 out, x plus root 5. So, x plus root 5 into root 5x minus 3. The next one, 7x squared plus 2 root 14 x plus 2. Again 7 into 2 is 14. So, 14 root, now your middle term is 2 root 14. So, you can write this as root 14 into root 14. So, 7x squared plus root 14 x plus root 14 x plus 2. Still you will not get the common factor. So, root 14 can be written as root 7 into root 7 into 2. Yes. And 7 can be written as root 7 into root 7 x squared plus root 7 into 2 root 7 into root 2 x plus root 14, again you will write it as root 7 into root 2 x plus 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Now, from the first two terms, from these two you will take root 7x as common, then you are left with 1 root 7x plus root 2 plus, now in these two terms you can take root 2 as common, take out root 2. So, you are left with root 7x plus 1 root 2 will be there. So, now this will be common, take it out, root 7x plus root 2 into root 7x plus root 2. Or this is one method, I will teach you another method also. Now, root 14 is, you can write this as 7x squared plus 2 into root 7 into root 2 x plus 2. Now, this again you can write it as root 7x the whole squared plus 2 into root 7 into root 2 x plus root 2 the whole squared. Now, this is of the format a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, either way you can do it. So, this will become root 7x plus root 2 the whole squared. So, this is also actually root 7x plus root 2 the whole squared. Hope it is clear. Five root 5 x squared plus 20x plus 3 root 5. So, 3 root 5 into 5 root 5 is what you have to multiply. So, 5 into 3 15 into 5. So, you can add, now your middle term is 20, if you add 15 plus 5 20 you are getting. So, you do not have to find any other factors, this is fine. So, 5 root 5 x squared plus 5 x plus 15 x plus 3 root 5. or I can write this as 15x and 5x. 5x. Now 5x I'll take it as common. So I am left with root 5x plus 3 plus 5 root 5x plus 3. So here I will take root 5 out. So 5 can be written as root 5 into root 5. So root 5. So this will be root 5x plus 3. So this 5 is written as root 5, this 5 is written as root 5 into root 5, and 1 root 5 has come out. You can write that step in case you are not comfortable straight away writing this. Now you have root 5x plus 3 as common. So you are, the first term you are left with 5x and then root 5. So keep practicing. I will again meet you with more questions in my next video. Have a nice day.